A powerful winter jet stream
Many
is
trees have
acting like a
fallen.
conveyor
Driving
belt.
conditions have been challenging.
As
Windy.
the first phase of raw, fearsome assault from nature. Officials say it will be a beast of a weather system. Britain is between storms. Less potent than predicted to be, it still left its mark. Fallen trees, damaging property, and bringing train networks to a standstill. But last night was just an appetizer, and the public have been warned to expect large-scale disruption. Fed zone they are braced, waiting to see what nature brings.
Conditions are improving, but please stay safe on the roads. When you get up there, could you walk the line back from the feeder to see if you can find any overhead network damage that could be responsible for these outages? Stay safe and I'll keep an eye out for any storm triage scenes you capture up there. Bye for now.
Hi there. Well, this looks a bit of a mess. Thank you for getting out so early this morning, and well done for finding this site. I know you've had a long walk down the line to get there. We've had a lot of customer calls regarding loss of supply in the area, and it looks like you've found the cause of the disruption, so much appreciated. So, could you just take a few steps back for me, if it's safe to do so, just so I can get a wider view here? It looks like we've had some movement of the ironwork, and oh yeah, there's also some residual vegetation still sitting on the conductors. Okay, I'm just going to annotate this view with some AR tags and notes. So if you could just hold your position for a moment, please. Okay, and if you can stop there and just tilt your view up slightly for me. Okay, I'm sure you can see that we've got a jumper off. I'm just going to freeze your view. Thank you very much. And it looks to me like only one jumper is disconnected, which is this one here. Please go ahead and submit your storm triage report, and I'll add a 3D photogrammetry model to your scene. Please remain on site to keep the public safe until the overhead line team arrive. So, just to summarise, we've recorded some ironwork damage, residual vegetation on the conductors, and a jumper off along the span, all of which answers a lot of questions and paints a very clear picture. Thank you so much again.